What's up, guys? Tonight we are making some burrito bowls. We're going to start by making some fresh Pico De Gallo and some guacamole, and I'm going to get all the veggies prepped, and I got a brand new knife from New West Knife Works. I'm going to get this open and see it for the first time on camera with you. I really like this stitched leather sheath that it comes with. So it's a beautiful knife. It has the Tetons on both sides, has an amazing looking handle, super smooth. I love the gold accents. Let's take this tomato and see how well it cuts. I'm just gonna take off both ends. It glides right through it, of course. I'm gonna slice it down the middle. I mean, it is absolutely gliding through this. Now, I don't like the center of the tomatoes. I just think it waters things down, so I'm gonna take that out and we're gonna cut this up. I mean, zero resistance at all to that blade. That is impressive. These knives are completely made in America, and that's one of the reasons why I picked them to help promote on here. They're not paying me anything for this review, so I got the free knife. I will give you an unbiased review to this. I have plenty of knives. There's no reason for me to promote a company that I don't like the product of. I actually turn down a lot of companies. I'm very impressed by the weight of this knife. It is super lightweight, but also very balanced at the same time. All right, let's switch over to the onion and see how it does. Slices right through it, of course. All right, let's get this diced up. Now we'll move on to the next ingredient, finally chopping some cilantro. And then we'll start building our Pico De Gallo. We'll use the red onion, the same amount of diced tomatoes, your cilantro, and then I'll roll and cut a lime in half and get that squeezed in. Add some salt, and I forgot our garlic, so we'll get some bulbs of garlic out to get it minced up nice and fine and add that into, and get it all stirred and set it to the side so those flavors can start to blend. Now we're gonna make some guacamole. So I'll start with my avocados. The knife slices right through the skin. We're gonna hope for no brown spots, and we're successful. We'll get that diced up and scraped into a bowl, and then get our next two avocados into. Now we'll add the same ingredients as the pico with our onions, our tomatoes, our cilantro, and our lime, and then we had some garlic mixed in with the onions. Get that all well incorporated and set it to the side while we get our chicken ready. We're gonna season boneless, skinless chicken thighs with Lane's chili lime seasoning. We have our griddle set to medium high. We'll get it down and then seasoned on the back side as well. After about 3 minutes, it's time to get it flipped over and turn our heat down to medium and let them cook through until they're about 170 degrees internal. We'll take them off and cube them up on the cutting board. Again, this knife makes quick work of that. Put them back on the griddle to cook the rest of the way through, and then it's time to build our burrito bowls. We'll start with a bed of white rice and put on a layer of our chicken, then some black beans, fresh guacamole, Pico De Gallo, and a dollop of sour cream. This not only looks beautiful, but I know it's gonna be delicious, and it's time for that first bite. So many fresh ingredients, incredible flavors. Y'all go check out New West Knives using the link in the description, and let's eat, y'all.